Hey guys, today we're gonna look at the Insta360 1X2 360 degree waterproof action camera. So from the previous model, it has a 55% increased battery life, improved video recording, 5.7K 360. Stabilization is built in. There's a touchscreen. It has AI editing. You can use it for live streaming. You could use it for a webcam. And you can use voice control to turn it on and off. The lenses are fisheye. And it's small and compact. Due to the protrusion of the lenses, take care to place the cameras down, as you can end up scratching or cracking the lenses. It also comes with a microfiber cleaning rag, as well as the components to charge it. And this is the instructions. So in a further video, we will show you how it works. It does come with a carrying case where you can place it in. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, put that notification bell on, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Thank you.